Alright, the 9 Cooke Road may now give you the southbound.
Here it comes.
Yep, baby.
Saturday.
Yep. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Only CSX does the beer train.
Oh.
This is too long.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Oh yeah, got it.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30.
Beer train's only 8 cars long max.
21, 22,
But
23,
only travels on the track behind you.
24, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 21, 22, 23, 34, 35, 36, 47, 48, 49, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
Back,
9, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 74, 75, 36, 77, 78, 79, 50, 51. Oh man, I think I messed up my counting. Yeah! Welcome to 2014 World Paint Series. I really missed you guys. And
Go Reds! Baseball
yeah.
season's coming up.
Yep.
Don't forget to root for the Reds.
Yep.
I got one string factory.
Yep. And by the way, it's coming up.
Guess where that car was built? Roanoke Shops.
Are you ready for the battle of this? Because spring is almost coming. I can't wait to hang out with you guys soon. And winter's been pretty cold, so I will not be able to hang out with you sometimes unless it's warm weather. Okay, bye, and that's all for now. Bye. Yeah, bye, and that's all for now.